Hello everybody, I'm Shino Babatunde by name from Shintech Learning. Today I'll be teaching you video editing using Filmora. The version I'll be considering is Filmora Wondershare version 11. This is not phone version of the editing. We have phone version, but we are concentrating on the PC version, which is Filmora version 11, which is the PC version. We're not going to waste your time. Enough of talking. Let's get started. Welcome to today's tutorial, and in today's tutorial we'll be teaching us interface, and the interface we'll be taking notes of today is the interface we call the backstage interface. The backstage interface. Many people disable this backstage interface, feeling it is not necessary, because the essence of the backstage interface is for quick editing. Why will I be making use of it for quick editing? I can just go to the main editing to do quick and also editing. Whichever process works for you, that is it. That is what you should make use of. So we're going to explain this so that you understand this. And for individual tutorial on each of these, because we can't cover them fully, but we have a separate tutorial that will explain some advanced feature in this backstage view. Now we divided it into the left side and the right hand. In the left side, let's quickly go on it. We have create project. This means creating your project from scratch. Creating your project from scratch. This is what this is all about. Instant mode. This work is internet based, so gives you wonderful, fantastic templates that you can just add your footage to, and they auto create content for you. That is, you create video without even you know about anything about video. And also at the third hand side, we have what we call the Creator Academy. It's also internet based, whereby you are being given tutorials project that will take you from beginners to what to advanced. They help you a lot. They stand as guide, provide tutorial, everything you need. You can see that we are done with this left hand side. When we come to the right hand side, whereby we see something called the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio. This is just talking about your screen in a situation whereby you are giving an Instagram to edit. As Instagram, you can see 1:1 Instagram. So this is what you just start. Go and create me new project, and I want the screen to be Instagram screen. You can see there are a lot of one. There are cinema screen. But the default is, which is YouTube screen. We have 16:19. That is that about aspect ratio, talking about your screen. And here we have the quit your project, that is exit your project. You don't want to work it anymore, and this is minimized. And this is project. When you save project, this open project, when you save project on your laptop, you can open it from here. So I don't want to start from scratch. I want to start from the project I've worked on. You see some people, they work on project bit by bit. When I'm done with it, I save it, I come again and continue working instead of starting from scratch. That is, I don't rush everything one day. I can use 3 days, 10 days, but just save it and continue. That is a sort of open project here. And create projects here and this new project, they are the same thing, but some people prefer this because it's bigger than this. That's just the difference. But there's no difference. It's just like, oh, this size is smaller and this size is bigger, so we click this one to get started from scratch. So the same, they are just same thing. So when we go look, when you go below, you see some wonderful 4 features here, which some of them are new. Auto reframing, they added a lot of wonderful things that you can follow our tutorial, single tutorial on auto reframing. We'll just be giving you tutorial on auto reframing, but here we'll just explain what auto reframing and aspect ratio are similar, but they are a little bit different. Here helps you to change your, maintain or change your screen and animate the screen. Here only change your screen, but here change and animate the screen, or you leave it like that without changing it, whichever way you like, but add animation to your screen. This is to provide highlight of footage and also sync bits to it. Here requires you to be requires a lot of patience. You can see new at the top, which means it's a new features. Screen recorder, which is a wonderful, I use it a lot, and our screen recorder in Filmora is wonderful, is good to use. Added a lot of things for you to know how to use it. You can also watch more of our tutorials on this. It's a single tutorial, it's not involved here. Now we also have AI portrait in the previous tutorials, like Filmora 10. This is Filmora 11, remember earlier on, but here in Filmora 11 AI portrait, but in the previous tutorial it's called AI styler, but this is AI. The work of this AI portrait is just to add style to your video. If you want to change the background of your video or photo, this AI styler helps you. And you can see at the down which will soon conclude our tutorial. At the down we have local project. When you create project from scratch, it saves as local project. When you save when you work from at instant mode, which provided template for you, the part all your projects you work in this instant mode. They are saying then you have some templates you work, maybe you work like you have worked on 10 projects, you see them here at instant project. This one, when you create from scratch and you exit it, it comes to save here, and you can delete it also. But when you work from this second side instant mode, you like they will just provide template for you and you work, it saves here, the project saves here, so you can click here to continue. And here cloud, when you have the cloud account and you begin to save here, you have the account, you can save here, you save here. So but in the general saving rules of editing, we follow the 3-2-1 rules, which means what you must have three copies in 2 different sides. That is the reason why it's 3 and 2 different sides, because we already have one on your laptop, the other one will be hard drive and cloud drive. Cloud, let me just put it cloud, instead of cloud drive, cloud, and that is that. And if you want to search for your project, you want to search for your project that I've saved, you can type from this type. You can say for save project. I don't have any project saved here, so that is why it's of no value. In the way you should view the thumbnails, maybe they should go like a block form or like a slant. Anyhow, this place is the way you change everything. As you can see, we have explained everything. There's nothing we have not explained here. We have done justice. For more tutorials, for more of this, we have said a lot of this. Let's for you to go to the main stage view, you just click new project and we'll proceed. That will be our next lesson for this class. Make sure we meet in class for more of lesson.